I'm going to show you how to take apart and clean this Amazon Basics fan. It measures probably about a foot across and the fan blade's about 10 inches across. You need two tools. You need an adjustable wrench here and a Phillips screwdriver. You got to make sure your Phillips screwdriver is skinny enough so it can go in the holes on the back. So what you're going to do is flip it over. I'll show you where the holes are. First, let me show you the plate in case you're interested in numbers. All right, on the top, on the side, there's a screw. Here's another screw over here, and there's going to be one more. You're going to flip this up straight, and there's one more in the middle. All right, the screws are out. You're going to take it, you're going to flip it over like this, and just grab the cover and take it off. Put your fingers in there, lift it up, and there you go. In the middle, you will find the nut that you're going to take off. And you're usually used to doing things righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is a reverse thread, so you're actually going to go clockwise with this one. Loosen it up, and then you just take it off with your fingers. This will come right off. There you go. Make sure you don't lose that. And you can just clean this, run it under your sink. Use a brush or a cloth or something if you want. Also, with this, you can use a brush to clean this out, or I just ran it under the water with the hose. After you're done cleaning, the part you put back, I want to show you this. There is a flat side there. This side's round. Okay, make sure the flat side is up. Match it up with the flat side right there. Put this on. There we go. Get your nut. Nut's going to go on as if you were loosening it. So counterclockwise this time. Remember I said it's reverse thread. Put the cover back on. Put your screws in, flip it over, and then put the screws in, and then you're all done. Hey, I want you to know before you go, do you know what your ticket to heaven is? It's through Jesus. I had a friend that used to say that Jesus would rather die than to be without you, and that's exactly what he did. That's how much he loves us. So I say that because I want to see you in heaven as well. All right, take care. Bye.